everybody. We're gonna be making a milk stand, a goat milk stand. GMS. Is that right? All right. No. All right. Hey guys, how you doing? Sorry, I made a mistake.
Hey, Dad, what are you doing?
I was actually gonna let you know that I was gonna run it back. Oh!
Haha. Come on, Julius. Let's put this back on.
I want to say maybe like in 2 months to 3 months, we're going to take the goats, Mackenzie and Kolani out for a date. Hopefully we get them ready so we can get some milk out of them. But we don't have a milk stand. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got some of the kids, see if they want to help out. So let me show you what we need. What we're gonna start with, which is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1x5 by 8s, 2 2x4s, and we got a 1 by 2 feet by, I want to say 48, which is 4 feet, board, and that will be the landing. So I don't want the video to take too long. But we're gonna go and cut everything up, get everything prepped, and then we'll be back. All right, so I got pretty much everything prepped, ready to go. I am going to leave a list right here. What we're going to start off with is pretty much the base. What the goat is actually going to go on to stand. So it's going to be the back legs and the front legs. These are the back legs. These will be the front legs. What's going to make it strong will be the side skirts. Will be 2 in the front. These will be 2 in the side. And this bad boy will be what will be going on top to actually keep it nice and solid and to hold the weight of your goat. So I'm gonna get into that. I'm gonna drill some pilot holes so I won't split the wood. That's very important while you're doing it. You want to help? Yes, you can help. So yeah, get back to work. Finished the milk stand, and this is it here. So in front of it, it has a brace to hold the head bars in. It's a little dish so they can keep busy and eating the greens. Kids kind of gave up on me, so it took me a little bit, but I had a little bit of problems with it, but I wind up getting it done. Like I said, this is my first one. I already put it on it, as you see, it's a little dirty. Trimmed off the roofs, and clippers I put there for it. There it is. It works great. I had to cut a little lower because the alpine goats I have are actually, I'll say 6 months, between 6 to 8 months. So they're still young, not fully grown, so they're a little on the lower end. But that's good though. Now I can have when they're small and when they get older. So perfect. They call it a milk stand, but it's like an all-purpose stand. You definitely could do more than just milk the goats. But yeah, it definitely came out pretty good. I'm happy with the outcome. I would definitely leave all the measurements, all the pieces, and what you would need to get it done. So I hope this works out for you. And as I always say, everything we do it one step at a time. See you next time, guys.